Chapter 24. Creating strong passwords and passphrases. Protecting your online accounts is crucial in today's digital world. Crafting strong, unique passwords and passphrases is an essential first step in safeguarding your personal information. This section will explore the key characteristics of secure passwords, techniques for generating them, and best practices for effective password management.
Characteristics of strong passwords. 1. Length. A strong password should be at least 12 to 16 characters long. Longer passwords are generally more secure. 2. Complexity. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters, example @ hash, $%. 3. Unpredictability. Avoid common words, phrases, or easily guessable information such as your name, birthday or common passwords like password 123.
Creating strong passphrases. 1. Combining words. Create a passphrase by combining unrelated words into a long string. For example, hers battery staple correct. 2. Adding complexity. Add complexity to your passphrase by including numbers and special characters. For example, 𝐒𝐲𝐻𝐿 $terry correct. 3. Avoiding patterns. Do not use predictable patterns such as 1234, ABCD, or QWERTY.
Techniques for generating passwords. 1. Password generators. Use password generators to create random and complex passwords. Many password managers have built-in generators. 2. Mnemonic devices. Use mnemonic devices to remember complex passwords. For example, take the first letters of a memorable sentence. I love to walk my dog every morning becomes 𝐿2WMDEM.
Password management best practices. 1. Use a password manager. Password managers store and encrypt your passwords, making it easy to manage multiple accounts securely. They can also generate strong, unique passwords and autofill login details. 2. Avoid reusing passwords. Use a different password for each account to prevent a security breach on one site from compromising others. Avoid slight variations of the same password across multiple sites. 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. This requires a second form of verification, example a text message code or an authentication app, in addition to your password.
Additional password management tips. 1. Regularly update passwords. Regularly update your passwords, especially for sensitive accounts like email, banking, and social media. Change your password immediately if a service you use experiences a data breach. 2. Be aware of phishing attacks. Do not click on links or download attachments from unknown or suspicious emails. Ensure the website URL is correct before entering your password, and look for HTTPS in the URL for secure sites. 3. Log out when not in use. Always log out of your accounts when using public or shared devices. Use session expiry features where available to automatically log out after a period of inactivity. 4. Backup your passwords. Keep an encrypted backup of your passwords in a secure location in case you lose access to your password manager. Set up recovery options like security questions or backup codes provided by some services.
Quiz. 1. What is a key characteristic of a strong password? A. Short and simple. B. Long and complex. C. Contains only numbers. D. Includes your name.
2. Which of the following should be avoided when creating a password? A. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. B. Using common phrases or easily guessable information. C. Making the password at least 12 characters long. D. Using a password manager.
3. What is an advantage of using a passphrase? A. It's shorter than a password. B. It's easier to guess. C. It's often easier to remember while being complex. D. It uses only lowercase letters.
4. Why should you avoid reusing passwords across multiple accounts? A. It makes passwords easier to remember. B. It increases the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one password is breached. C. It enhances the complexity of the password. D. It reduces the need for password managers.
5. What does enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, provide? A. A simpler login process. B. An additional layer of security. C. A backup of your passwords. D. A way to share passwords securely.
6. What is a recommended practice if a service you use experiences a data breach? A. Change your password immediately. B. Continue using the same password. C. Ignore the breach notification. D. Delete your account.
7. What is the benefit of using a password manager? A. It reduces the number of accounts you need. B. It stores and encrypts your passwords securely. C. It automatically reuses passwords. D. It prevents you from logging out.
8. Which method is not a form of two-factor authentication, 2FA? A. SMS code. B. Email code. C. Authenticator app. D. Password hint.
9. Why should you log out of your accounts when using public or shared devices? A. To improve device performance. B. To prevent others from accessing your accounts. C. To save passwords on the device. D. To avoid entering passwords again.
10. What should you do before entering your password on a website? A. Ensure the website URL is correct and secure, HTTPS. B. Click on any link provided in an email. C. Enter your password quickly. D. Ignore the website's URL.
Career Development Programs in Cybersecurity. First program is Cyber Sentinel Trailblazer. Duration, 3 months. Second program is Professional Certification Program in IT Governance. Duration, 1 year. Third program is Postgraduate Program in IT Governance and Security Audit. Duration, 2 years. For further information, contact us on 7068710000. Other number is 9878400815.